Hi, what's up everybody, man? So there wasn't any chemtrails today, but look at this line through the sky. That's crazy. There was no chemtrails today, but there's still all that CHEMHAZE in the air. And that's why you see those lines so pronounced like that. You know? Look at that. That's wild. They didn't do not one chemtrail during sunset. Look at that. Nothing. There's the moon. But look at those lines. God, look at that. Yep. All the CHEMHAZE in there from previous days where they were spraying. Nothing out today though. Y'all take care.